Now, how far behind the motorcycle will the car be after 15 seconds? Let's just read the graph together concerning this instant. Let's compare the position of the car and the motorcycle graphically without using values. So at t equal 15, here, if you do projection, the car is at a certain position, okay, away from the origin. Now for the motorcycle, okay, the motorcycle is at a position further away from the origin. So I'm going to call this xc and this is xm. And this is logical because the motorcycle could move like faster than the car. Okay. So now how to solve it? How far we are looking for the distance? Okay, if I want to represent the case here on the space reference axis, if this is the origin O and the car is behind the motorcycle, so this is xc, and the motorcycle is somewhere at another position here, xm, further away from the origin. This representation is for at t equals 15 seconds. Okay, so now the distance between them is actually equal to xm minus xc. We get the distance between them. Fine. So we have now to make use of the time equations obtained before. For the motor, x for the motor is equal to, as you can see before, it's 3.75 t squared. So 3.75 t squared. This is the general equation. Now for t equals 15 seconds, xm at this position, xm at 15 at this time, is equal to 3.75 times 15 squared. So it's equal to 3.75 times 15 squared using your calculators, 843.75 meters, because the acceleration is calculated already in SI unit and the time is given in SI unit. Okay, so now xm, okay, yani this one, let's use another color. xm, هيدي xm is equal to 843.75 meters. Okay, now xc is found to be equal to xc is equal to v30, so it's equal to 30t. xc, the general position time equation of the car, is proved to be 30t. So now at t equal 15 seconds, I have to substitute xc at t equal 15 is equal to 30 times 15, which is equal to 30 times 15 on your calculators, 450 meters. 450 meters. So now you have that xc here is 450 meters. Okay, now to find the distance between c and m, to find how far is c behind the motorcycle or the car behind the motorcycle, you have to subtract xm minus xc. So how far the distance between them is equal to xm minus xc. So this is equal to 843.75 minus 450 meters, which is equal to 843.75 minus 450 is equal to 393.75. So we say that the car at t equal or after 15 seconds from the initial position, the car is 393.75 meters behind the motorcycle.